Siargao Island has been home to me for the past 2 years, and right now they're facing a very difficult time, as well as this is their anniversary of 3 years ago when Typhoon Adet had hit the island. Just this island, the community is so strong, so resilient, and that's why I choose to stay here. The place itself is beautiful, but what makes it truly magical is the people there, and I just really learned the true happiness of life, and those people and Filipinos in general have really changed my life and taught me to be a better person. So I'm going to share with you guys something that's been happening there on the island. So in Siargao Island, there was a power outage or brownout for 14 days because a submarine cable underneath the water had an issue. They were successfully able to identify the issue, but if you can understand how complicated it was to find, and it's not an easy thing to do. It was amazing that they were able to locate the problem and then fix it. What was unfortunate is that the island was out of power for those 14 days. So you can imagine the effect it had on the locals and all of the businesses, especially the smaller ones, and the locals who depend on tourism and power for some of the things that they need to do for their daily lives and their work. So there was even a shortage of clean water supply, and it became very expensive. And everything in the island, the prices were increasing due to every business having to pay for generators and the gas to continue to run the business. So I was really wondering what I could do to help because I'm away from the island here visiting my family. So I called some of my closest friends, of course, Ken being one of them, and he agreed right away to the plan that I had. I called him, I was like, if we can get some water. So what we did was I got in contact with two friends, one of them who let us borrow a truck to be able to carry all the supplies there, as well as I have a friend who lives in a town called Consuelo. We were able to choose 50 houses. About each of them gave 1 to 2 of their tubs of water so we could refill for them, and then we gave 1 to 2 kilos per household of rice. Siargao Island has the best community. When I asked a few of my friends to help me out, everybody said game in, count me in, let's do it. And it was so beautiful to see everybody's helping hands just to make a difference. Even the smallest difference, it's great to spread love. You want to share your blessings because that's something that the Philippines taught me, but specifically Siargao, the community there is just unstoppable. I was just happy to be able to give back in the smallest way and really, really just continue to pray for everyone in the island if you can, so that way they can continue to come out stronger from this.
Dun, dun, dun. What do we say, Brooke?
Hi, guys.
Hi, guys. I always say that. And she goes, I started recording and she said it. I was like, no way. So what are we doing today? We are going to, it's already late. It's like almost 4:30. And I decided, why not take her to the grocery store? We're going to go to the grocery store and the market. And we're going to buy ingredients to make Chicken Tinola. I'm gonna make her some Filipino food, so let's go. So we ran into some complications. I don't know, this used to work by, this is our fancy dancy little band. This used to work by just unfold, but now it's not working. So I called Dad. My dad was trying to do it without, I think he was taking a nap, he's not feeling good. So I wasn't trying to wake him up, but he's gonna come rescue us. What's up, guys? I'm gonna get her a blanket so she's nice and warm. Yeah, so this is how we go places. So you strap her in, there's straps down there. The lift goes up and down, but it's getting old now, so we have to probably replace the lift soon. Because they say every 10 years, and we've had this over 10 years. Okay, now? Alright, guys, we made it to Kroger. So we're gonna go in, get some ingredients. Are you excited to go to the grocery store? When's the last time you've been here? Long time, right?
Yeah, time.
Boom, look, we got it figured out this time. It's because I didn't have the parking brake on, so there has to be a parking brake. And then we're gonna unstrap. So I'll show you guys how you do it. These straps here, lock her in there. So I'm gonna undo that. And then we'll go to the grocery store. She knows how to drive, guys. She has her license. So we're going here into, where'd you go? Are you coming?
Yeah.
Maybe we should get out of the road. Okay, we're gonna go to Kroger. She got a cute blanket. It's actually not that cold today, guys, thank God. Okay, guys. So there's something called malunggay, but we don't really have that here, so we're gonna get spinach instead. These ones are 2 for $7. Normally they're $4, so it's $3.50 each. Or what's this? $5. Maybe we should go. Or oh wow, this one is reduced, but it's Queen City. Let's see. Where you at, Brooke? You having fun?
Yeah.
So I got some blueberries and some raspberries, and we found the ginger, which we need to make some. I feel like almost all Filipino food has ginger, which I love. So we're gonna get some to make sabaw. We're gonna try to make tinola. So we got the ginger. You excited to try it?
Yeah.
Okay, and this is what we're using for our shopping cart. Okay, mission successful. We're checking out now. Going to pay. I spent $68, but we did get a lot. Mission successful! We made it home. It's dark now. Look at all the neighbors have the Christmas trees or Christmas lights. Okay, so it's fine. This is rice. I don't know why I chose this pan to do it. And then we're gonna make tinola. So this is garlic and onion. And then we have our other ingredients here. They're gonna try tinola for the first time. Ginger. We don't have like sayote, so I'm gonna use mushroom instead, which is different, but yes. You excited? Right, so we got the lions going on in the background. Don't mess, very messy. We got mushrooms that we're gonna put in the tinola. Normally you don't put that, but you can really put any vegetable in soup. And whoopsies, I'm sorry. And then this is the garlic, ginger, and onion. We're gonna add in the chicken soon. And here is our rice. We got jasmine Thai rice. So we have some very bad news. We only have chicken breast, so that's gonna be really weird for tinola because normally the bones and the brown meat is what really gives it that like aroma. But we're making do with what we have. So I'm gonna add more chicken here. We gotta add more water in the rice. Oops. Okay, so we have here. Brooke, are you excited to eat? You getting hungry? So this is the rice. It looks kind of weird. I've never cooked it in a pan like this. I always use a rice cooker. And this is we have the chicken. So wow, I never seen it look like that on the top. But it's only chicken breast. It's boiling. I just added the water. So you're gonna try chicken soup. It's healthy, right? So we're excited to try it. It's one of my favorite foods. The best that I can, limited to ingredients. Let's eat.
Yay!
Yes, perfect. All right, now we're adding the greens. I'll always love to add malunggay, but of course we don't have that here. Greens, but it just also gives it that vibrant color, makes it look better, taste better, and more nutrients. Woohoo! This looks good. All right, this is the final product, what it looks like. And then of course we got some rice. So they're gonna try it. It's kind of like tinola for the first time. You excited?
Yeah.
We didn't try anything yet, so I don't know how it's gonna taste. I actually didn't even taste test the sabaw yet. Let's see. So this is what my dad did. He mixed the rice right in. That's how we would do it. More like, yeah, that's how we would do it here. Even though in the Philippines it's more like you put the sauce on the rice. He gave a bite. What does it taste like? I didn't even try anything yet. Did I mix?
Ginger.
Little salty, but we're limited with because it's only chicken breast. Brooke, it's gonna be your turn. We're gonna try it with chicken first. Okay, are you excited to try, Brooke?
Yeah.
Dun 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 dun. Open up. I'll make sure it's not too hot.
Good one.
This is okay? Okay, open up. What do you think?
You look good.
Yummy? Dun 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 dun. So the fam approves of some healthy chicken soup, chicken tinola.